it has to be relevant to the customer, it has to be functional, and it has to be comfortable to wear. Today, in our business now, there is a lot more transparency because hallmarking has come. We have a lot of labs which are doing, identification of stones. But if you look at it, most jewelers have the same gold prices. Diamond prices, discounts, all of that is more or less similar thanks to Rappaport. Making charges also more or less similar. So why should the customer come to you? The customer will come to you because your designs are aesthetically and emotionally appealing to him or her. They come to you because they get captivated by the designs, and therefore they are willing to go that extra mile and even pay a little bit more for that design, and they are willing to pay that premium. Now today we are buying branded stuff, not just in jewelry but other luxury goods also. We all know that an Omega watch is not or any watch that you go for. If you sit and do the breakup, the steel there is no money involved in steel. The markups that they have are really high, but people are still buying it. And Bangalore is the first test market for everything. Yes, waiting in Rolex. Rolex is not easily available. So, but why are we doing that? Because a brand has been created and the design is also appealing, and therefore the customers are drawn. Right? So, basically, design is very, very important. We have all established that. Move on to creativity. The next one. So, creativity is a key ingredient in design. What is creativity? We keep saying design, creativity, innovation, but what is creativity? It is the skillful application of knowledge in new and exciting ways. So we can create certain products that will be valued. And the benefits are manifold. You can read there if at all, I don't know whether you can read. But basically it is the ability to innovate and come up with new ideas. It is the ability to see things from a different perspective. It is the ability to solve problems. It is the ability to think out of the box. We've heard stories of people making millions from their startups. I'm sure when they started, everybody was laughing. But today they are sitting with millions and youngsters because they have the ability to think out of the box, ability to solve problems, the ability to empathize with the user and find out what their needs are. And last but not the least, they have an innate sense of aesthetics. What will look good? Hindi is okay? Okay, I thought, okay. You'll have to excuse me because I do not know any of the South Indian languages, but Hindi is not an issue. So I will try and mix because we have a mixed audience here. So basically creativity is at the heart of design. हर चीज़ के लिए रचनात्मकता ज़रूरी है. What is creativity? It's रचनात्मकता. कुछ नवीन हो, कुछ अलग हो, ताकि कस्टमर हमारी दुकान पे खींचा चला आए. Now, creativity is it goes hand in hand with innovation. तो वो तीसरा वर्ड हो गया. Innovation क्या है? There cannot be any innovation without creativity. While creativity is the ability कि नए ideas आए, नए विचार आए, at the same time इन विचारों का करना क्या है? It has to be implemented into either a new product or into a new service or a new method of production. So both of them go hand in hand, and we all have to understand that design, creativity and innovation, all three are very, very important. Moving on, it's very important कि आप create करो. It may be very good to look at, beautiful, but it must be relevant to the consumer of today. वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. And आज customer बदल रहा है, उसके विचार बदल रहे हैं, their needs are changing, ज़रूरतें बदल रही हैं. So we have to understand what today's customer wants and then design accordingly. So let's all understand what is the consumer today. Next slide, please. Who is my customer and what designs does he want, he or she? Next slide. Firstly, changing role of the Indian woman. This is very, very important to note because आज की नारी बदल रही है. She's not just a housewife. केवल गृहिणी नहीं है. She is homemaker, she is a businesswoman, she is a professional, she is wearing many different hats. She wears traditional wear like I did yesterday. She will wear western clothes also. So her lifestyle is changing, her needs are changing, and as a result, her demand for jewelry and her preferences for design will also change. ये स्वाभाविक है कि अगर उसका रहन सहन बदल रहा है तो उसकी पसंद नापसंद भी बदलेगी, और हमें ये पसंद नापसंद, रहन सहन और आर्थिक परिस्थिति को समझकर डिज़ाइन बनानी है. सो डिज़ाइन डजंट मीन कि वो बैकरूम में बैठा बैठा डिज़ाइन बनाते रहेगा, बाबू है, कीप चर्निंग आउट डिज़ाइंस. इट हैज़ टू सेल. What do we all like? Profit. तो profit कब होगा? जब sales रहेंगे. So design has to translate into actual sales. Next design please. Next slide. So here I just explained कि पहले only on the left hand engagement ring मिलती थी, wedding band भी पहनते थे. धीरे धीरे आजकल लॉन्च हुआ है राइट हैंड रिंग. तो राइट हैंड क्या है कि आज की नारी स्वावलंबी है, financially स्वतंत्र है, she has her own money, she is also buying jewelry to reward herself. Sometimes also कि कोई milestone आ गया, personal milestone, 25 years of marriage या birth of a child, so she is buying jewelry. तो अगर उसका रहन सहन बदल रहा है, De Beers selling the diamonds for us, all the ad campaigns, all the promotions, so they launched the right hand ring. अभी ये हाथ में तो आ गई शादी के बाद, along with the मंगलसूत्र if we believe in it. In addition, we have the right hand ring, which is what any ring that she buys for herself. And believe me, they launched really fancy dressy rings and itna maal bika, because all the women thought कि नहीं, हम भी we've arrived and we want to buy jewelry to reward ourselves, and we can do it. They also came up with a new concept. I'm just giving you some examples of how design can be adapted according to the consumer's taste. Halo design ring. अगर आप देखो तो ये डिज़ाइन इतनी अलग नहीं है. बीच में सॉलिटेयर है. अगर सॉलिटेयर का बजट नहीं है तो प्रेशर सेट के डायमंड्स भी डाल सकते हैं to give the look of a solitaire. आजू बाजू में they have put small diamonds, right? Now it's not a very different design. In fact, it's an adaptation of what we've worn before. But इसमें क्या किया कैंपेन में? Halo ring concept. कैंपेन का नाम क्या दिया? Center of my universe. And how did they promote it? कि नारी अपने फैमिली का इमोशनल सेंटर है. अब कौन बंदा है जो who will argue with this? All the husbands will say yes. हमारे फैमिली का इमोशनल सेंटर है, and so we want to go and gift her, and she wants to buy this piece. So it was all about working on the mind, the psyche. डिज़ाइन अच्छी है, but कस्टमर को पसंद आनी चाहिए. So when we talk about design, it's not only taking beautiful ideas, motives, concepts and designing. It's also designing, taking into account the consumer of today. Next slide please. तो कंज्यूमर की 4 टाइप है. And this applies to everybody. We have baby boomers, we have generation X. अभी हाल में बहुत बातें चल रही है millennials and Gen Z और उनको क्या पसंद है, because at the end of the day we all want to sell. So if these are the buyers, we have to understand the buyers. तो पहले के जो Gen Z है, baby boomers है, अभी 70 years plus, तो they will not buy jewelry for themselves. अभी उस उम्र में कितना पहनेंगे, but they will buy jewelry कि हमारे बाद हमको याद किया जाए. So they will buy elegant pieces, timeless appeal, evergreen designs which they can pass down from one generation to another. वो एक ग्राहक हो गया. दूसरा है अपना Gen X. अभी Gen X are still in that mode कि नया कुछ चाहिए, मुझे कुछ खरीदना है, materialistic, and they have the money, they made the money, so they are buying fine jewelry, expensive, बड़े हार, they can afford it. Then we have the millennials. Now millennials are a little different because they have global exposure, multicultural exposure है, tech savvy है, brands के बारे में पता है, बहुत demanding है, they want answers to their questions, doubts लाएंगे, clarification दो and फट दो. But once you satisfy them, once you clear all their doubts, once you give them transparency, which I think is the order of the day, then they will actually become loyal customers. So baby boomers, then we have fine jewelry Gen X, then we have millennials. These millennials are tech savvy, so they are going to go for branded jewelry also, they don't mind. And lastly we have the Gen Z. Gen Z are those which are the younger crowd. they were born with mobiles in their hands. हम लोगों को सीखना पड़ा, but they were born with mobiles. My children are in this generation, so I talk to their friends and try to understand the mindset ताकि पता चले कि इनको क्या पसंद आएगा. एंड अभी मैं देखती हूँ कि बड़े हार तो बिकते हैं बट विद अ सर्टेन जनरेशन फॉर वेडिंग्स, बट इनको चाहिए छोटी छोटी चीज़ें. ईवल आई, when we had the pandemic, maximum sale of evil eye bracelets. I mean, I couldn't get over it because सब लोग डरे हुए थे. Everybody wanted to feel good and everybody wanted to feel safe. And youngsters were buying evil eye jewelry. They were buying, small trendy things. So this is the generation. You won't get big margins, but you will definitely get volumes. And that's what it's all about. And that's why e-commerce is really, really working. तो डिज़ाइन कहाँ जा रही है? In fact, I remember one example of Tanishq. Tanishq went through a lot of ups and downs. अभी सक्सेस स्टोरी है, बट पहले तो it was in our market आना और उसमें establish होना is not an easy feat for anybody. So they came in and at one stage, I think 2006 or 4, I'm not sure, they realized कि माल बिक नहीं रहा है and इतना stock. So what they did was they took north की designs, they sent it maybe in the west. They sent west की designs in the east, try and juggled up the stock to see कि अगर माल बिकता है. And surprisingly, things were flying off the shelf. So they studied the customer कि उधर का customer क्या चाहता है and accordingly they could sell. So it's very important that design and customer both go, their mindset has to be studied and then we make the jewelry. Okay. Next slide, please. You can go through this. Let it go. Next. I'm sorry, you'll have to adjust a little bit because the venue has changed. So I don't have. Stop there. The one before, please. Yes. So very important to know is कि हम लोग इतने सालों से, and I include myself also in this. I am also guilty of the same because अभी 30 साल हो गए, so you also learn. But we treat jewelry as a commodity, and the customer also, we have trained them like that. So पहले आके पूछेगा इसका ब्रेकअप क्या है, then you have to explain कि मैम ये छोटी आइटम है लेकिन इसमें बगेट्स है, चैनल सेटिंग है, वेस्टेज ज़्यादा है, and therefore you have to give us a little more labor. वही client has come from Manish Malhotra. वहाँ जाके नहीं पूछेगा कि लहंगा कितने का है, उसका ब्रेकअप क्या है, मटेरियल कितना लगा, जरदोजी कितने की थी. But when they come to us, they will ask us all of this because we are selling jewelry like a commodity. We are not selling it as a luxury. And that is what it actually is. If you go anywhere in the world, if you go to Tiffany's and you want to buy a solitaire, पहले बिठाते हैं, चाय पानी पियो, पूरा प्रेजेंटेशन देखो, उसके बाद में समझो क्या है, क्या ग्रेड्स है, and फिर बताते हैं. And the markups are very high and people still pay because they feel they are buying a piece of luxury. So it's very important that we try and sell jewelry as a luxury. You have to give the person an experience which far exceeds their expectation. आज अगर 5,000 रुपये कम कर दिए, they will not remember that in the future. There's this very intelligent lady called Mary Angelou. She said that people will not remember what you said or what you did. They're only going to remember how you made them feel. उनको कैसे लगा, हार पहनते वक्त कैसा फीलिंग आया, कैसे लिया था. So that is very important. So it's very important to design what they like and create a luxury experience. Next one, please. Here it's just I'll put a lot of luxury products. कि अगर if you're sitting in a Mercedes or a Jaguar, it's that experience. आप ये नहीं देखोगे कि मोटर कितने का था और कैसे ब्रेकअप हुआ था. You will feel like you are sitting in a Merc, and that's the whole experience. So jewelry में ये लाना ज़रूरी है. डिज़ाइन अच्छी हो, कस्टमर को पसंद आए, and they should have an amazing experience about buying that piece. Next one, please. Okay, this is going back to basics. I have jewelers coming and saying कि डिज़ाइन कहाँ से लाए मैडम, इतने सारे कैटलॉग्स हैं बट सब यूज़ हो गया. And designers are also saying that very often. So we tell them that we need you back in our classes where we teach the students from the basics that sources of design are four. And if you notice, even today this is relevant. Natural, man-made, historical and symbolic. Next slide please. If you notice over here, natural sources. आप देखोगे कि Cartier, which is like a renowned jewelry house, उनका logo है panther. So what is a panther? Natural source है. Nature in all its varied forms. Leaves, flowers, animals, birds, seeds, anything that nature has, we can take that as inspiration. So Cartier took the panther. They studied the panther in various forms. The face, the body, different positions of the panther. Anytime you go in a Cartier catalog, क्या है? Basically they have removed unwanted details. उसमें diamonds और color stones डाले हैं, metal डाला है, setting डाला है, and they made a piece of jewelry. And even today the Pasha range of Cartier, the panther range, is popular so many years down the line. So that is natural source. Next one. अभी नेचर में 2 things you can do. एक है डुप्लीकेशन. डुप्लीकेशन मतलब कॉपी नहीं करना है, लेकिन नेचर से कॉपी करना है. So अगर you see a bird, let's say you saw the peacock, if you see on the left hand side the peacock or the parrot, that has been taken. I have put metals, I have put colored stones, I have put them in different kinds of settings, and we made like a piece of jewelry out of it. If you see on the right hand side, there is another bird, but it is not like the bird in nature. इसे कहते हैं abstraction. So you give it geometric forms, you take pieces of the original, and it gives you an echo of the original. But ये bird, मतलब you don't see it in nature. Another way to explain this would be Ganpati Bappa. We just had the festival, so आप गणेश जी को देखो, so it is a very traditional attire. But आजकल modern गणेश भी आ गए. It is just an abstract form that we use in a lot of artifacts also. So it's an abstract, but it gives you that echo कि हाँ गणपति है. So this is what it's all about, duplication and abstraction. नीचे देखोगे तो duplication में you see a Cartier the panther. It's made into a ring with a pearl and gold and green's eyes and everything. On the right hand side, it's the same thing that Cartier has done, but this panther is with geometric shapes. So it's a abstract version of the Cartier. And today they are doing this because this is also selling, right? So this is one way of doing it. Next slide, please. Okay, I'm going to run through quickly. A very dear friend used to make a lot of inspirational jewelry, and if you see over here, there's a bird. The body of the bird was the inspiration, and they've made earrings out of it. They've also made a pendant. Next one, please. Also, if you see the feathers of the bird, it could be used as a lapel pin for the jacket. So again, natural source. It's not like कहीं ढूंढना पड़ा था. Nature में है. आँख खुली रखो, कान खुले रखो, and try and adapt the same thing but with a new interpretation, your own interpretation. Next one, please. Here, घोंसला, nest. The nest has been taken and a ring has been created. So we have a ruby in the center and beautiful motifs on the side, and the inspiration was a bird's nest. So inspiration can come from anywhere. A designer basically has to go beyond and try and interpret it differently. Next one, please. Gajraj, the elephant. If you see here, the elephant has been taken with blue enamel, meenakari and ली गई है, along with diamonds in pave setting. And if you see on the left hand side, it's all linked together to form maybe a bracelet or even a neck piece. But above, you will find that same thing has been incorporated with a lot of natural motifs, and it's made into a very ornate and a very stunning necklace. So the same inspiration, you can make small things also. This same inspiration can be used for a bigger piece also. Very often they say, नहीं मैडम हम लोग तो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बनाते ही नहीं है, तो आइडिया नहीं आती है. यहाँ बड़ी चीज़ में से इंस्पिरेशन लेके उसको लिंक कर दिया, and we made like something which a youngster would also like, or something for day wear or party wear. किस लिए खरीदा जाता है वो भी बहुत important है. If they come to you for bridal jewelry, they will go for big things. If they come to you for everyday wear and आप bridal दिखाओ, तो माल बिकेगा नहीं, because they'll appreciate it, but it's not in their budget or it's not in their inclination. Next one, please. यहाँ देखोगे तो nature again. On your right hand side, you will see coral, अपना मूंगा. Coral carving has been taken, and along with that, diamonds in illusion setting have made a very modern kind of a bracelet. तो आज, like I said, आज ऐसी भी ज़रूरत है कि I can wear it with my Indian outfits. I can also wear it with my Western outfits. This fits both the bill. So it's a very simple design, but it kind of is different because they've used carvings with it. If you see on the left hand side, again there are two tones of gold. Pink gold, yellow gold, white gold की combinations ले सकते हो. And with that on the top, I have used natural motifs, and it's creating a different look. So it's traditional but not completely traditional. It's not Western either. It is Indian in feel and modern in appeal. So for the contemporary woman of today. Next one please. अभी ये देखिए जैसे पॉन्ड, जैसे तालाब में हम लोग एक पत्थर मारते हैं तो देयर इज अ रिपल. द इंस्पिरेशन हियर वाज अ रिपल. रिपल्स में से इंस्पिरेशन लेकर इयररिंग्स बनाए गए हैं. एंड द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. यू विल सी हाउ दैट होल थिंग हैज बीन कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ नेक पीस. सो पॉन्ड में जो द पैटर्न दैट यू गेट, दैट वाज द इंस्पिरेशन. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज दैट इंस्पिरेशन कैन कम फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. हम लोग ये सोचते हैं बैठेंगे, पेन पेपर लेंगे और डिजाइन शुड स्टार्ट फ्लोइंग एंड दैट इज हाउ यू विल वर्क. समटाइम्स यू आर टॉकिंग टू समबडी एंड यू विल गेट इंस्पायर्ड. You will be doodling on something and you will get that. So inspiration can come from anywhere. Keep a sketch pad handy. I do that every time. Next one please. Next is man-made source. So man-made source means anything that man has created. आप देखोगे charm bracelets में shoes, horseshoe, घर, utensils, anything can inspire as a charm. Here you will see the nest has been taken, but not the nest, the twig. And that is like a rectangular piece, a geometric form. तो उसको लेकर एक modern interpretation देकर geometry से inspiration लिया गया है. So geometry is what? It's man-made. So man-made source. Next one please. यहाँ this was like if you notice architecture is the source of inspiration. The designers went to Hampi. And they were made to, go through the entire architecture, do sketches, उसमें से क्या चलेगा, what the customer wants, and that was adapted further. So here again you will see that it's inspiration from architecture, the circular motif, but it's used in a very modern way, very contemporary design. This I could wear even with Western outfits. Next one please. Our forts, our architecture can be very good source of inspiration. आप देखोगे how the carvings and how the work on the walls and on the monuments can inspire, and you can see how it's made into a piece of jewelry. Next one please. यहाँ पे also in Hampi they had seen all these motifs. तो वो motifs को लेकर they have made like a brooch out of it. So Indian again, it's like how on an airport पे लिखते हैं global in spirit is Indian, but it's global also. It's Indian in feel and global in spirit. This is exactly like that. Things which can be used, and साथ में black enamel, black onyx, colored stones, diamonds in various settings. You can play around with settings also. Prong setting, you have your bezel setting, channel setting, tension setting, काफी है. Mix match with that and you'll come up with unique products. Next one please. Again, see architecture. If you see the carvings have inspired the earrings on the top, but overall very trendy and very modern. Next one, please. जो पेजली का मोटिव है, वो केरी पैटर्न या पेजली पैटर्न, as old as the hills. In India, we use them on our saris, on our jewelry, everywhere possible. But it's been done in a new way. It's taken so you can tell that it's an Indian motif, but it has been worked with in a different way. Next one, please. The fort of Amer, how the architecture has inspired for this earring using polkis and diamonds. Next one. Again, if you see the fort, if you see the upper portion of the monument and how that has been incorporated into beautiful earrings with parrots. So again, natural and man-made sources have been combined. Next one. Here the same fort has been used, duplicated and used into a neck piece. Next one. Again, you have architecture and forts which were the inspiration here. Next one. Last, we have symbolic sources. And I found that in the pandemic, these sources really seem to come to the forefront because हमारे यहाँ 33 करोड़ देवी देवता है. We all know that. So, the pictures of gods and goddesses, images in our design are plenty. And during the pandemic, we had a lot of those. We had zodiac signs. We've been making jewelry with A, B, C, D. Old jewelry which we had when we were young. So, वो jewelry अभी आ रही है with your name on it. And I remember telling my mom, melt this stuff because अभी कितनी बार हेतल वाला पहनूंगी. But now it's all the rage and we have customers coming saying they want their name on it. So old things are coming back. Symbolic sources are being used more frequently. Next one, please. So you will see yin and yang, you will see your cross, you will see all the Devi Devta, you will see evil eye, you will see also small pendants with amethyst, rose quartz, जैसे stones which supposedly give out good vibrations and positivity. So this kind of jewelry is also selling. Like I said, you may be doing your core business, साथ में ये बनाते रहो because it is extra. It is not really like taking away from your core, but one day you might find that this volumes might really grow. So symbolic sources would be a good source of inspiration. Next one, please. Okay. So we've kind of gone through the basics. We were short of time, so I had to kind of, give you the gist of design. But if there are any kind of questions or doubts or clarifications, then I'm open to them. Anyone? Come on. Make it a little interesting and challenging for me. Yes. Okay, so basically it's a very good question. When we came in as designers, when I came in like 30 years back, I remember I was 18 years old. I had, taught on gemology and everything, but I had gone to the US and done the course and come back. Had a portfolio of designs, company में गई, known company. And अच्छा ठीक है अंदर बताते हैं 15 डिज़ाइन के पैसे मिले बाकी सब xerox हो गया and बात खत्म हो गई. So what I'm trying to say is that times have changed. Now people know the importance of design, and today it's all about hand holding. Manufacturers will realize that and are realizing that the designer is important. You have to give them their due credit. So they are giving actually shelf space दे रहे हैं, they are giving commission on sales, they are giving थोड़ा royalty दे रहे हैं, थोड़ा exposure, publicity दे रहे हैं. So designers are getting their due. Having said that, when you start off, my advice always has been to all the students that once you finish the design course, wherever you may have done it, please work somewhere in a company for at least a few months. Not just as a designer, but also in the manufacturing. Because a designer must understand the intricacies of manufacturing to know whether makeable hai ki nahi. People design, I am a designer, but is it makeable? It has to be wearable, so that part will come in when you actually sit down at the bench or at least learn how to do quality control checks and things like that. So that's the first thing. Two, you may be doing cast jewelry, you may be doing one-of-a-kind avant-garde pieces and very upmarket designs. So target group, and again what options you have. If you go to somebody who's exporting to America, even we did it. Well, we had to do Valentine's Day, so pendant bana. So you don't have a choice. And initially get into everything. Get your experience everywhere. Your basics of design will help you adapt. But eventually you should do apni dil ki sunni hai. What works for you? Like today I enjoy like one-of-a-kind pieces, I like bridals. So although I know how to do the remaining, because opportunities are there, I am focusing on what I like. And once you do that, मतलब आपके काम में आपकी कला झलकेगी because you are passionate about it. So passion is one. Hard work, don't give up. It doesn't insinuate design, very glamorous, and we will be the designers, you will get all the accolades. ऐसा होता नहीं है. You have to put in the hard work, but opportunities are much more than what was there earlier. Anybody else? Come on, please. थोड़ा तो challenging होना चाहिए.
चलिए इनके ऑडियंस के पे मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ आपको अतुल जी कि अभी ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री हमारी जो सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज फेस कर रही है कंपटीशन का. उनको जो भी मेकिंग चार्जेस है, जो भी उनका वेस्टेज है, वो नेगोशिएशन करके बहुत रिड्यूस हो गया है. एंड दे आर वर्किंग ऑन ए वेरी थिन मार्जिन, वेरी थिन, स्पेशली द होलसेलर्स एंड मैन्युफैक्चरर्स. एंड ऑल्सो रिटेल में डिफरेंट तरह का कॉम्पिटिशन है. सो इतने कंपटीशन में कोई भी जो है डिज़ाइनिंग का जो है एलिमेंट उसको हाईलाइट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. दे आर ऑल सेइंग कि इसका ब्रेकअप पूछिए, कितना गोल्ड है, कितना स्टोन्स है, कितना मेकिंग चार्जेस है. डिज़ाइन क्रिएटिविटी जो आपका सब्जेक्ट है उसके ऊपर कोई भी फोकस नहीं कर रहा. व्हाट आर योर व्यूज?
बेसिकली इट्स लाइक चिकन और एग स्टोरी हो गई. जब तक आप बदलोगे नहीं, डिज़ाइन पे जोर दोगे नहीं, नई डिज़ाइंस बनेगी नहीं, द कस्टमर विल नॉट कम टू यू. लाइक आई डिड से दैट कभी कभी हम लोग देखते हैं तो माल एकदम सरीखा लगता है, ऑल वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, बट इट ऑल लुक्स द सेम. सो देन मारामारी किस पे है? कौन कम मेकिंग चार्ज दे रहा है, कौन बेटर क्रेडिट फैसिलिटी दे रहा है, एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू फाइटिंग ऑन. But if you focus on the design, and I know a lot of jewelers, and I'm not making it up, who have taken a stand. कि भाई हम लोग ब्रेकअप नहीं देंगे या बेसिक ब्रेकअप देंगे, लेकिन हमारी मार्जिन थोड़ी हाई है एंड कस्टमर्स आर स्टिल कमिंग, कस्टमर्स आर कमिंग। यस, इनिशियली थोड़ा सेटबैक हो सकता है, तो वो थोड़ा स्टेइंग पावर होना चाहिए। इतने सालों तक हमने काफ़ी कुछ कमाया है, तो वी कैन अफोर्ड टू डू दैट। बट और कई लोगों ने ऐसा किया है कि वी हैव अ होलसेल सेक्टर, वो चल रहा है, साथ में एक छोटा सा बुटीक खोल दिया, वो बुटीक में वन ऑफ अ काइंड पीसेस कर लिया, एंड you'll be surprised that that is running. Because a lady, like I said, who's paying a 10 lakh for a Tarun Talyani lehenga, if she likes a piece and शादी हो रही है and she says I want only this design because बाकी किसी के पास नहीं है, एकदम अलग से है, हटके है, the parents are going to allow it if they are spending that kind of money on clothes. What is a buyback in a ghagra? A 10 lakh Tarun Talyani ghagra. Or even if you go for a regular ghagra, 25,000, 40,000, 50,000, there is no buyback. But people are buying it because it's the look. तो इवेंचुअली ज्वेलरी जो इन्वेस्टमेंट भी है और अडॉर्नमेंट भी है, दोनों। वी आर नॉट सेइंग इट इज नॉट इन्वेस्टमेंट, काफ़ी इन्वेस्टमेंट है, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट्स ऑल्सो अडॉर्नमेंट। सो इफ यू हैव टू बी अ लिटिल बिट मोर, पीपल आर विलिंग टू पे। सो डिज़ाइन पे फोकस करो, फिर कस्टमर आएंगे तो डिज़ाइन बनाएंगे, डजंट वर्क दैट वे।
ऐड समथिंग टू दैट। सुरेश भाई सुनिए, एक बहुत बड़े ज्वेलर एक्सपोर्टर हैं, उन्होंने जब पूछा कि मेरे को कोई कस्टमर बहुत नेगोशिएट कर रहा था, कितना मेकिंग चार्जेस है, क्या आपका स्टोन है, क्या मेटल है, तो व्हाट ही रिप्लाइड, ये 2 लाख का जो पीस है ना, ये 2 लाख की मेरी क्रिएटिविटी है, गोल्ड और डायमंड फ्री है। दैट इज द आंसर वी शुड बी एबल टू गिव।
Yes. I know of somebody, अच्छा, very good. I know of somebody who actually made brass jewelry. She makes one of a kind above guard pieces. She has the option, doesn't give breakup, but brass की pieces बनाई during the pandemic, the lockdown. 1.5 लाख का एक छोटा छोटा piece. Signature collection, limited pieces, but different designs. Sold. तो थोड़ी हिम्मत करनी है। आई एम नॉट सेइंग हम लोग की जो मतलब द वे वी आर डूइंग बिजनेस, वी कांट स्टॉप आवर ब्रेड एंड बटर एंड द कोर, बट हैव समथिंग ऑन द साइड। एक कलेक्शन शुरू करो, लगा तो 3 नहीं तो तुक्का, यू बी सरप्राइज हाउ यू माइट वांट टू डू मच मोर ऑफ दैट।
Can I have a question? See, I mean, this is a common, we talk in the board meeting, common questions that why are the customers spending so much on a ghagra, on the hotel and etc. One simple answer which we get, if we get it within our families, is when we are, I won't say guilty, but when we have our daughters getting married, it's the memory, right? Maybe the memory of the wedding day or the functions post that. Maybe so now it's an emotional thing. Like I think you mentioned one lady that you remember what you feel, you don't remember what you said. Yeah. So I see there are a few ladies in the audience. How exactly, because we are men, unfortunately we probably don't know, we know the technique to make it, but what is it that when you or any other lady looks in the jewelry, what is the emotional connect? Where do you see it? How does it come?
See,
so I mean, if you go into that.
Yeah, it's a very intelligent question. Basically, there is, each person is different. पांचों उंगलियां कभी सरीखी नहीं है. 2 twins also will have a different taste. So consumers' preferences, both aesthetic as to what is beautiful to them, and economic, which will be where you all come in, and the budget, both have to be taken into account before you design for your target group. So if a person comes, I have had people where I have made this beautiful piece and I have shown them the design, and they have asked me to manufacture जो मैंने side में sketch किया था, which I had just put it on the side thinking कि ये नहीं चलेगा. So there is no accounting for what beauty is in the eye of the beholder, right? So there is no accounting for taste in that sense. Everyone's taste is different, not good or bad, but what Dulhan wahi jo piya man bhai, it's like that if you tell me how to design, it'll be your target group. तो वो समझना ज़रूरी है. And what you're saying about B2C and B2, where is the customer going to go? To the retailer. What would the retailer like to stock? What sells? The retailer should give the feedback of designs to the wholesaler. So the wholesaler takes into account that feedback and then designs. बनाना तो है ही है. Might as well make something that flies off the shelves. It's enjoyed, worn and cherished for years to come. Might as well have sales. Every design to me it should translate into an actual sale. नहीं तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, वो रंगोली पैटर्न जैसा हो जाता है. We don't want it lying in the portfolios and say हमने इतना काम किया. It has to give you business. That is a must. Otherwise no point. But yes, the emotional connect part of it, like that comes on what you
Yes,
like.
you're satisfied, Ketan bhai, with the question.
घाघरा पसंद आया, कलर मुझे पीच कलर ही
Then
चाहिए.
I think what he was looking at is that for women to select one piece over another piece, what is that emotional connect? It goes right.
The beauty, मुझ पे कैसा अच्छा लगेगा. And there of course if you're doing customized designing, then you have to take into account facial structure and all of that also. But I have seen women coming and saying I like this. उसके बाद उसको 50 और पीस बताओ, they will come back to this because पहली नज़र में भाग गया. So beauty is the first thing and their own individual preferences with regards to colored stones, with regards to diamonds, shapes. There is, like I said, all 5 fingers.
Well, we have any other question?